Yo, what up everybody? It is your host, Professor Cannabis. In today's video, guys, we are going to be actually doing a gravity bong, guys. We are actually going to put water in this bad boy, already filled with ice, as you can see. We're going to put water in this bad boy, has a hole on the bottom, so you're going to fill it up, and you're going to light it at the same time. Once you light it, you're going to let go the bottom one. Water's going to spill out. As the water spills out, so smoke is gonna build up on top and go downwards, guys. So right now we are packing some abusive Louis OG, guys. That is bomb. As always, if you guys like this series and you think it's pretty cool, leave a like and subscribe for more, guys. We are gonna do this forever. So what I'm gonna do is pack a bowl first. So pack a bowl, pack it as fat as we can. Alright, guys, before you hit this, you gotta add water. So we gotta take this bad boy off. Bam. Gotta fill in your hole. Some water. Alright, here we go. We're gonna fill it all the way to the top. Oh, it's spilling. All the way to the top. Oh, spilling. Put that to the side. As you can see, we got a little hole spearing. Oh. What you gotta do is you gotta put this bad boy on top. So we're gonna light it at the same time that we spew it. Ready, go. Yeah, that's good enough. Here we go, guys. This is our step number 1. Woo! Oh, god damn it. Woo, guys. Let's try to take another one. Alright, guys, I'm refilling this bad boy right now. Do this attempt again. Love it, love it. This is a pretty cool attempt. Actually, I can just leave it alone like this. Pull this back so you actually can see. Oh, fuck, I'm leaking. Alright, guys. Here we go. Attempt number 2. Oh, fuck, I just burned my hand. Fuck. Alright, here we go. Let's try that again. Oh, I just burned my fucking hand. Woo! Alright, guys, here we go. This is the ice challenge. Here we go. Cheers. As always, like, subscribe, and stay stoned.